Do you travel with your phone? You want to make sure that you bring this with you. So nowadays, pretty much every single person travels with their cell phone. It can be used for so many different things that they are a hot commodity. And not only are they a hot commodity with us that use it, they are a hot commodity for thieves. Now, there's one thing that I'm going to show you that is going to help deter thieves picking on you for stealing your phone. This is making sure that you have a lanyard or a wrist strap attached to your phone. There's many different ways to do this, and there's a few reasons why you want to do this. First, obviously, is the thieves. So you want to make sure that you carry it around your wrist, around your neck when you're holding it. Next, you also want to be holding it along your wrist when you're taking photos over, say, bridges or rivers or off a boat or over balconies. I couldn't think of all the things. So this way, if you get knocked or you just lose grip of your phone, it's not going to shatter and go down to the bottom of the ocean. It will just fall off onto your wrist and you will still save your phone. Now, there's 3 different ways that you can do it. First one here is have a case where it's built in. This one here is Catalyst. It's one of my favorites because it's also waterproof and dustproof and everything else proof. They're a little bit more on the expensive side. It does come with the case where it has a place to put the lanyard, and it comes with a lanyard as well. And it's perfect. All you gotta do, put it around your wrist and then carry it like this. I also put it in my pocket and have the wrist strap around my wrist in my pocket. Next one is just a strap like this. You can get any type of case. Now this one here, I'm just going to take it out. So this one is just a tab. So you want to make sure that you have a phone case that is enclosed around, so it's not just open on one side. But it's great because you can use this with any phone case and any phone. Now, you do have to provide or purchase a lanyard separately with this particular one, but I already had one for my last case and it still works great. The latch here, I thought initially was going to be really crappy because it wasn't locking, but it does have a locking mechanism so it won't get unattached. Again, you can just put it into the case like that, slip your phone back in, and you're good to go. And then another one here looks like this, and this one is a neck strap. And all you have to do is just attach it to your phone and just bring it down. And then you just make sure that it's not covering the camera portion and you're good. Now this one is still great. You can wear this around your neck or you can just loop this around your wrist a few times. Now all of them are great. I suggest you pick one up before you leave on your travels and actually use it. Once you start using it, you will never go back. You'll never have a phone without a strap because it's so secure. So if you have any other questions, please plop them down below and I'll get back to you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for all things travel. I give you tips, tricks, and hopefully entertaining stories. And until next week, have a great week. Talk to you later, guys. Bye.